time to rate what we eat in our Manila, Singapore Milan flight. Go! Let's start with some chicken adobo, turmeric, rice, and some steamed vegetables. Surely a very good start. In particular, if you pair it with some wine, walaan nyo kung sino ang nagsabi. Let's try naman the dessert. Ang sarap guys, I swear. Para siyang fruit salad na may sago at nata de coco. Refreshing and fun to eat. Ganun ako ka-satisfied na nababaliw-baliw na ako. Another airplane, another dish. Fried vegetables, blue rice, and some chicken in tomato sauce. To finish, some cheese and ice cream for me. Kay Elmer naman, alam na. Rise and shine guys! Breakfast is served! We have roasted potatoes, omelette, yogurt, and tea. Here guys, not very amazing. But as usual, si Elmer naman enjoy na enjoy. Elmer, enough with the butter ha? Ikaw nang susunod sa actors ng pelikula na pinapanood mo.